Good medical morning. Today we're looking at hidradenitis suppurativa, henceforth known as HS, because, let's face it, that's a lot easier to say. HS is a chronic or long-lasting inflammatory skin condition that may be caused by malfunctions in the body's immune system. It might start with small, pimple-like bumps or boils that show up under your skin, and can progress to painful abscesses that may eventually burst or rupture and cause scarring. Though HS can affect men and women in different ways, it usually develops in areas that grow hair and where skin rubs against skin. It can also occur where sweat glands are located. Before I continue, thank you again for supporting our page. You do this to help improve medical education on the internet. Before we started with medical channels around 2014, there were no educational medical channels on YouTube. Now, there are amazing doctors like Dr. Mike, Dr. Sandra Lee, Dr. Gilmore, and the Tobro. So click like if you're a fan of all the incredible content online. So, what areas are most often affected by HS? Underarms, inner thighs, underneath the breasts, buttocks, groin area, back of the neck, and ears. What causes HS? Although the exact cause of HS is unknown, the immune system is believed to play a role, starting beneath the skin's surface. It is known that the body's immune system produces different types of protein to help regulate and protect itself. But with HS, an imbalance in the immune system causes the body to produce too many inflammatory proteins. The overproduction of these proteins leads to increased inflammation throughout the body. This inflammation can create pressure in the layers of the skin, specifically in the hair follicle gland. Let's look at some more examples. While you watch, please comment below and let us know if you're a fan of the page. And hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for updates. And speaking of immune system, diet and exercise are key to a strong immune system. So let's hear about Thynergy, which is a great supplement to help you lose weight and boost your energy level so you can get more exercise.
Hi guys, I'm Tori, aka That Tori Girl, and welcome to my channel. What is your diet fitness routine like? I do Orange Theory Fitness. My diet is all over the place. I try to do low carb, but obviously I have good days and bad days, you know. Hey guys, what is up? Tori Suicide here. I want to give a big shout out to everyone who is using Thynergy to help lose some weight. High five to you guys. If you're not using Thynergy, what are you doing? It is a great way to keep slim and trim. Really awesome to implement into your regular exercise and fitness goals. So check out Thynergy and let me know what you think.